After setting up your machine, pick a splice mode corresponding to the fiber type you're going to be using, and pick the heater mode corresponding to the shrink sleeves you have. Here, I have two standard single mode fibers, so I'll use SM Auto as my splice mode. Picking the right splice mode is one of the biggest contributors to splicing success. Be sure to identify the fiber you're using and select a splice mode that matches the fiber in front of you. The splice mode that only says Auto in the title has two functions. It monitors arc power with each splice, making small adjustments as conditions change, and it automatically identifies the fiber type and chooses parameters based on the detected fibers. If you're splicing with many different kinds of fibers or aren't sure of the fiber you're using, start with Auto mode to ensure good results. If you know that you're splicing single mode fiber to single mode fiber, you'd likely start with SM Auto, SM Fast, or SM-SM. Likewise, if you're splicing multi-mode fiber to itself, you'd probably start with either MM Auto, MM Fast, or MM-MM. Any splice mode having the word Auto after it will monitor arc power with each splice and make small tweaks from one splice to the next. This maintains your arc calibration accuracy as conditions change throughout the day. Again, note this is not a substitute for daily arc calibration. Conditions like temperature, barometric pressure, and humidity all affect how much arc power you need in order to precisely melt the fibers. And since every day has different conditions, start the day with a quick arc calibration to get you started, then use a splice mode ending in Auto to keep the initial calibration accurate as the conditions of the day evolve. Any splice mode that has the fast suffix will assume the correct fiber type is loaded, adopt the most recently calibrated arc power value, and set the camera lenses to a predetermined focus position in order to perform the splice in as little time as possible.